It's official. TrustInSoft is going to integrate the power of AI in order to make formal methods and runtime error detection more efficient than ever before. Well, wait a minute. Don't you guys do deterministic software? I mean, is that even compatible with AI? It turns out that it is. So our tool is assuming the worst from the external environment. So for example, if you have parameters and it's an int and you don't specify otherwise, then when the tool makes computation, it assumes that the int can be anything, so full range. However, at other times, maybe that you don't want those full ranges, right? So maybe that you're peeking inside some ASM code. Fortunately, the tool is not going to understand what is going on in the ASM code. It might need to be stubbed. How about AI stubbing it directly and automatically for you? Maybe that you're accessing directly certain areas of memory and you would like to inform the tool about that. That's called memory mapping. Well, how about AI basically analyzing your code in order to derive what the memory map should be? And remember what I said about the trade-offs? Basically keeping the analysis speed on one hand, but also being very precise on the other. Well, how about using AI to optimize that trade-off as well? So, yeah, it turns out that AI has a role to play in formal methods and in the detection of runtime errors. You can still have an exhaustive analysis that will find all the runtime errors, but the process to get there may actually be helped by using AI. That's going to be a choice. In our tool, if something is automatically generated by AI, it will be marked as such, so a human being can actually revise what are the choices that have been made by artificial intelligence, but it will be there. And in many cases, it's going to help people make the whole process even more efficient. And of course, our tool can be used to detect runtime errors in AI-generated code. Because yes, there are still runtime errors being introduced by AI, and they need to be fixed. Now, this is only the beginning of our journey. We have tons of ideas and we'll have to implement them step by step. But the beginning of that journey is starting in April. And talking about which, we are going to give you a preview of this during Embedded World. So we will be on site and being able to demonstrate a few of the things that we've been working with AI on. Come by hall number 4, booth 340,